Hello, today I am going to explain how to use Areviews Chrome extension. First, go to integration and click on Chrome extension. Currently, we support only 5 websites. This might increase in future. In first step, we have to install Chrome extension by clicking here. I have already installed Chrome extension. In your case, you will see installation button here. Just click on it and approve the permissions. Now let's try to import from Amazon. I will select random product like this one. On the right side, you will see our app icon. Click on it. If you get this error, it means you have to log into our application. You only have to click on the apps from your admin panel, then click on our application. I will show you how. From Shopify admin panel, just click on apps and click on Areviews app. Now we are logged in. We will go back to Amazon. If you click directly, we will get same error. We have to refresh the page first. Click on it and it will open. Sometimes you need to click a few times on it or refresh the page again. Now to import, click on the button. You will see this model. Now let's search for product we want to import reviews to. I will type t-shirt, kebab. After you select the product, now choose how many reviews you want. I will stick to 50. Here you will import only images. This will allow you to import more reviews, and for this you can import specific variant reviews only. For example, if I clicked on this one, I will only import, so select the variant you want and then click on the icon and enable it. I will leave it disabled and click on import button. Okay, I will refresh the page. As you see, we got 50 reviews. Also, we have Amazon rating here. In case we imported rating, you can decrease it or remove it and click add. The process is same for all websites we support. I hope it is clear. Thank you very much.